In this video, I am going to be showing you how to draw a duck. I'm starting out with a circle shape and then a curved almond-like shape with the neck. Then I'm doing the typical duck legs and the head, the face. Adding some more details to the face. A mouth, because this is going to be a smiling duck. A happy duck. And the wings. And now that I'm finished with the line art or the sketch, I'm going to do the line art with the usual black marker, and then I'm going to do some coloring on the face and the legs. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more drawing videos.